What's good, people? Welcome back to another video. You don't know your boy Sketchy there at it again with another video. I hope you enjoy the last couple of videos that I drop. If you not check it out, just go run it up, isn't it? Yeah, man. So in today's episode, join me as I use one of the world's deadliest assault rifle and try to master it in Call of Duty Mobile Season 5. And let's try, and let me just try to see if we can dominate the competition basically, you see me? So I don't know one of the panel about chatting, so we just jump right in every day, you see me? See what's going. So today we're going to just do some rank matches with the assault rifle here, but then claim to say our world's deadliest assault rifle, you see me? And for all those who are wondering which assault rifle is that, basically it's the M30, you see? So them say I'm Deadliest one, so we're going to test it and see for real. So I'm just put some attachments when me feel comfortable with it. Then they give me some attachments for work with, but I don't work with them the attachments. I just work with one attachment that I feel comfortable with. So we test out it still and see what go on for it. Alright. So we just play some rank match. Domination. Shit. Right off the bat like that. I guess that any guy is the same one too.
We've taken the lead.
Targets in sight. Tango down. Enemy down. Reloading. Target down.
Good so far. Good so far. Feels good so far. What the fuck? What was that? Same boy again in a chat. Like, can you have it out in the chat?
Enemy down. Boom. Headshot. Target down.
Yeah, so far chat pretty good. Oh. Fucking hell.
Losing Bravo.
Bro. Oh shit, I forgot to actually try and win the thing to cause I'm not just test the gun. That's a rank match winner. So we actually can't lose the match.
Stealth. Captured Bravo.
Watch it, I'm just go get killed down and stuff by no chance chat. Alright. First round, activate. Gun good so far. I guess they never cap about that. See? But I could keep more gameplay and see what go on.
Capture the objectives. Captured C.
Alright, so means a boy when I like linger around in all places, you know. In the chat. The fuck? What kind of aim just do I like a chat? Alright, some guy. Somebody like our stuff up. Alright. Bam.
Heads up. Enemy.
Alright, so pretty far chat, the gun actually accurate as what they insist. It can use, but it can use, man, you see me?
Captured Alpha.
Tough. And probably don't tough like things for them attachments, but me just, as I said, I'm going in my attachments and feel comfortable with. Yeah.
Contact with enemy. Tango down. Target down.
Ooh.
Enemy down.
Winning this one.
Go on. we lock down every hard point? Oh, we're on a B.
Tango down.
Right.
Enemy down.
Because we're almost in chat, so we leave our lock down now.
Taking the lead.
I'm gonna look some more kills. Let's see what's going on.
UAV online.
Enemy down.
We captured Bravo. All positions locked down.
Yeah, so far chat is going pretty OP, you know.
Enemy in sight.
I guess that's it. So we see if we have actually tough. But just to be safe, see if I'm lucky to get lucky in this game and we'll run our next game. Run our next match and see what I'm going to beat. Still a zin. Because so far, tough. Not lie. But anyways, I can like teach me like stick some attachment them by like our own favorite and this are going and test them out here, isn't it?
Nice work.
But like this one activated so far. No cap. That pro right now. Alright. Kills. Not bad. Alright, okay, running our hard point. Alright. Confirm them two there. That go give him more XP if you are matching them. So we could test out on a hard point with the gunner and see what go on feed. Shit, I didn't even choose. But anyways, I must say it has gone good so far already. So just hope for them to reach up on this much still because this much I look. Yeah, see me. We're up on the pro level now, so kinda gotta get some sweats in the lobby, see me. I mean I know I'm good player already, I know fantastic player like that, isn't it? But we are testing out this still and see what's going on for it. We have to go invite my cousin again to come back around run the road because it's tough in a chat.
Hardpoint identified.
Some probably have one trophy. Oh yeah, I have trophy system. Alright, cool. Alright, now my search them chat.
Enemy in sight. Target down.
Hardpoint contested.
That one dealt that way.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Ooh, wow. Oh, QQ9, I guess. Shit.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Oh, we do uncirculate it hard point in the chat. Ooh.
Enemy contact.
Oh, two of them chat. Fucking hell.
Enemy down. Target's in sight. Reloading. Tango down.
Lost the lead. Hardpoint identified.
So,
Enemy in sight.
so bomb. Whoa, shit.
Back up.
Oh, fucking hell. Alright, chat. They pretty much got this around a lock, you know, bro.
Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Pretty much
contested.
got this around a lockdown. They have it.
Target's in sight.
Shut the fuck up.
Enemy in sight.
Shit.
Target down.
Lost the lead.
Fuck it. Chat, we definitely not going this much because
Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective.
Enemy in sight.
UAV recon standing by.
shotgun boy.
UAV recon is standing
What the
by.
fuck? What's that?
Contested. Hostiles have the
First man, what? I don't know what that chat. What's that? First me I see this.
Enemy contact.
UAV
fuck? Are that in a Black Ops? Are that thing there in a Black Ops?
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
Enemy down. Contact with enemy.
Yeah.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Lost the lead.
Chat, I feel like I'm gonna play.
Get
Hold
up,
on.
team.
Enemy in sight.
I feel like I'm gonna play a game, chat.
Targets in sight.
What a disgrace. Yo, never. This never happened to me yet, not even 20. Bro, chat, I feel like I'm the one that I play that game there.
Mission failed. Get it next time.
I guess I never won. Actually, it already that try. Alright, I can run it back. I can run it back one more time. Yeah, so me I go. Run it back one more time and see what I go on. Because down I never turn out good at all, chat. For some reason. I don't know what going on this one. Uncle shotgun boy there too. Fuck up his show is to me. But anyways, take her on here and see what I go on again.
Domination.
Domination. Oh,
Capture the objectives.
sweet, think I
Enemy
did hard
taking
points.
A. We're capturing C.
Enemy down. Tango down.
Look around this over, look around this over.
Contact with enemy.
Alright, to control them now.
Enemy down.
Recon stand by.
Shit, seriously?
Recon is standing by. Enemy
Chat, I'm telling people them to control them this and then let them pass.
Enemy down.
Fuck, they making let them pass. Shit.
losing B.
Take your wrong button.
Enemy in
Alright,
sight.
gotcha. Fuck. Couple of them well up a B.
Lost Bravo. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Watch everybody around the feet.
Tango down.
Chat.
Enemy down. Targets in sight.
UAV on. Sentry gun ready for deployment.
Target down.
We've taken the lead.
Enemy down.
Sentry gun deployed.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Capturing A. Stealth chopper on standby. Losing Bravo. Losing Charlie.
Alright, I'm control around this on my groin also.
Contact with enemy.
We lost Charlie.
Target down.
Alright.
Tango down.
Heads up, team.
Good,
Enemy
good, good,
UAV
good.
spotted.
What the fuck? Ah, shit. Can't go
UAV
up chat.
online. Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Going good so far, chat. Activate up. Tough.
Capture the objectives. Enemy taking
Alright,
C.
okay again, chat. Alright, so I left them.
Enemy
And
has
the
C.
coding go just automatically follow me and get died.
Enemy taking
Enemy
Bravo.
in sight. Target down. Target down. Tango down. Target down. Tango down. Enemy down.
chat.
We've taken the lead. Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
Alright. Go for C chat.
Target down.
C me a push chat, me a push C.
Losing Alpha.
Oh shit.
Enemy down.
What in there?
Enemy contact. Enemy down.
Ooh.
Lost A.
Down. Target down.
Captured B.
Tango down.
Damn.
Enemy contact. Target down.
Heads up. UAV spotted.
Changing knife.
Taking the lead.
Alright.
Tango
Push A,
down.
man. Push A. Chat.
Enemy down. Targets in sight.
Up top, up top.
Keep on them. We're winning.
Tango down.
UAV online.
Oh. Couldn't get that one out of a chat. Alright, on the ground we're going to see. Oh, shit.
Down.
We've taken the lead.
I push A again, chat.
Enemy in sight. Enemy down. Reloading. Cover me. Target down. Enemy down.
They're hurting. Keep fighting.
Oh, that nigga that take his ass kill. Alright. Pretty good chat. Dominated place. Yeah, one.
Contact with enemy.
Couple of hardcore kill we get. Tough. We're gonna tough. True, man. Alright. Show the attachment where me use for my personal gain. I don't know if you want to use that same attachment there, if you don't have one with already tougher than that. But show you what we got.
Good job.
Alright, so see attachment I'm have gunsmith. Some have for muzzle. See? OWC light suppressor, barrel, RTC heavy, long barrel, ammunition, large extended mag B, granulated grip tape, tactical laser. Just that me use as me. So like when you can give me a couple suggestions and just activate up the back side speed and see what going for it, as me. Alright, so that I end my video.